Have you ever needed a financial safety net when an unexpected expense or late paycheck has you scrambling for cash? Look no further than this review of the Dave app for 2023. This innovative app offers interest-free cash advances, money management tools, and even side hustle opportunities to help you stay on top of your finances. In this Dave app review video, we'll dive deep into the ins and outs of this loan app so that you can decide whether it's the right choice for your needs. What is the Dave app? The Dave app is a financial tool that offers interest-free cash advances up to $500, budgeting tools, and side job opportunities. It requires users to have 3 recurring bank deposits and monthly deposits of $1,000 to use the cash advance feature. Despite strict requirements and limited customer support, the Dave app generally receives positive reviews. Cash advances can be a lifesaver for those of us dealing with unexpected expenses or facing financial hardships between paychecks. Fortunately, the Dave app offers an extra cash feature that allows you to access funds up to $500 before your next payday arrives. Unlike traditional payday loans with high interest rates and fees, Dave charges a minimal subscription fee of just $1 per month for its cash advance services. My experience using Dave. As a financial enthusiast who loves to test various cash advance apps, I have a unique experience with the Dave app that I'd like to share. It was the summer of 2022, and I was planning a trip to the Grand Canyon. I had budgeted for the trip meticulously, but as we all know, life has a way of throwing curveballs. A week before my trip, my laptop crashed. As a freelance financial advisor, my laptop is my lifeline. I needed a new one, and I needed it fast. But this was an expense I hadn't accounted for, and it threatened to disrupt my travel plans. Enter the Dave app. I had been testing it for a few months, and I was impressed with its features. The $500 cash advance feature seemed like a godsend at that moment. I requested an advance, and to my relief, the process was smooth and quick. The funds were in my account within a day. I was able to buy a new laptop and keep my travel plans intact. The best part: the advance was interest-free, and I could pay it back on my next payday. What impressed me most about the Dave app was not just the cash advance feature, but also the other financial tools it offered. The automatic budgeting tools were a lifesaver during my trip. They helped me keep track of my spending and ensured I didn't go overboard. The early direct deposit feature also came in handy when I received my paycheck while still on the trip. It was 2 days earlier than expected, allowing me to have a worry-free vacation. This personal experience with the Dave app not only demonstrated its utility in a pinch, but also its potential as a comprehensive financial tool. Pros of the Dave app. The Dave app has several advantages, including a low-cost membership, $500 cash advances, early direct deposit, and side hustle opportunities. Low-cost membership. One of the key advantages of using the Dave app is its low-cost membership, which is only $1 per month. This affordable fee makes it accessible for cash advance users who are looking for a budget-friendly solution to their financial needs. The low-cost membership also means that more money stays in your pocket when facing an unexpected expense or wanting to build your emergency savings. For example, let's say you encounter an urgent car repair bill amounting to $300 instead of turning to high-interest payday loans or overdrawing on your bank account. You can simply request an interest-free cash advance through Dave without breaking the bank. The best thing about extra cash is that users can access it even if they are part-time or temporary workers and do not receive regular paychecks. However, to qualify for this advance, you must have at least 3 recurring bank account deposits and monthly deposits amounting to at least $1,000 into your Dave spending account. Early direct deposit. One of the major advantages of using the Dave app is early direct deposit. As a member, you can access your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than usual. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you need to cover unexpected expenses or pay bills before your payday arrives. For example, let's say you usually receive your paycheck on Friday but have an urgent medical bill due on Thursday. With Dave's early direct deposit, you could receive your funds as early as Wednesday and avoid late payment fees or interest charges. Side hustle opportunities. One of the standout features of the Dave app is its side hustle feature. This allows users to find additional ways to earn extra income, which can help them cover unexpected expenses or save up for future goals. The app offers a variety of different opportunities, ranging from delivery or gig economy jobs to online surveys and other small tasks. Users can browse available options based on their location and interests and choose which ones they want to pursue. Furthermore, with Dave's automatic budgeting tools and helpful notification services, users can keep track of how much they earn from side hustles and manage their expenses effectively. These insights make it easier for them to plan ahead, avoid overspending in certain categories, and achieve short or long-term financial goals. Cons of the Dave app. The Dave app has strict qualification requirements, such as a consistent monthly income and reliable bank account history, which may exclude some potential users. Qualification requirements. Users must meet certain qualification requirements to use Dave's cash advance feature. These include having at least 3 recurring bank account deposits and monthly deposits totaling $1,000 or more. While these requirements may seem strict, they are in place to ensure responsible borrowing practices and protect both the user and Dave from potential financial risks. Limited customer support. As a cash advance user, it's important to have access to reliable customer support when you need help with an issue. Unfortunately, one common complaint about the Dave app is its limited customer support. Users report long wait times for responses and difficulty getting in touch with someone who can assist them. This can be frustrating when you have urgent questions or concerns about your account or a cash advance. It's worth noting that this is not unique to Dave. Many fintech companies struggle with providing adequate customer service due to their high user volume. How the Dave app works. To use the Dave app, users must set up a checking account with no minimum balance requirements or fees and pass an identity verification check. They can then request cash advances of up to $500, which are repaid on their next payday. Setting up a bank account with Dave. Setting up a bank account with Dave is straightforward for cash advance users. Here are the steps to follow. Download the Dave app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number for identity verification and fraud detection. Connect an external debit card to link to your new Dave account. Confirm your email address and mobile phone number. Set up direct deposit with your employer to qualify for early paycheck access. Wait for approval from Evolve Bank and Trust, who provides FDIC insured accounts through Dave. Once you have set up your account, you can start using the app's extra cash feature to request cash advances up to $500, depending on your qualifications. You can also access features such as automatic budgeting tools, insights into your spending habits, and side hustle opportunities to help boost your income. Keep in mind that there are mandatory subscription fees of $1 per month and potentially high fees for same-day funding when using Dave's services. However, overall, customers have given positive ratings on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Requesting and repaying cash advances. If you're considering using the Dave app's extra cash feature, here's what you need to know. To request a cash advance, simply open the app and select the amount you need, up to $500. If you choose that option, you'll have to pay a small fee for instant funding. Once approved, the money is typically deposited into your account within 1 business day. Make sure you repay the advance on time, usually on your next payday, as failing to do so could result in additional fees or damage your credit score. Dave will automatically deduct the amount owed from your account on the due date, so ensure sufficient funds are available to cover it. If you can't repay the advance in full on your next payday, you may be able to extend repayment for an additional fee. Remember that cash advances should only be used for emergency expenses and not as a long-term solution. Always budget carefully and consider alternative forms of financing before resorting to a cash advance. Dave app fees and costs. One of the key aspects to consider before using the Dave app is the fees and costs associated with its features. This section will break down the various fees you may encounter while using this app.